In the last Christmas holidays, I was in the mountains with some friends. We were choosing where to have lunch, and around us were a few restaurants. All of these restaurants offered a type of sandwich, but it was always the same sandwich offered by several restaurants. It was quite confused because I didn't know which one to choose. Each restaurant was saying the same things to sell the same sandwich. Until a friend of mine pointed out a restaurant that proposed a particular sandwich cooked with a special recipe because the ingredients came from a geographical area famous for that type of food. It appeared as something new, and in fact, we chose it. In a moment, you will understand why I wanted to give you these examples. Today, I want to share an important topic, an important concept with you. You see, many distributors and installers of water dispenser are interested in us because they are looking for new products to offer, new solutions and innovation. Maybe you too, right now, are looking for new things to propose to your customers so that you can distinguish, you can be different in the market and increase your chances of being chosen from your customers. If this is your goal, it's very important that you choose well the company that provides you with water dispenser, and especially that you know how to distinguish between a real producer and a fake producer, even if they say they are real. You see, many distributors and retailers of water dispensers want to expand their product range. They want to offer only quality dispenser. They are looking for a company with excellent technical support, and they want to feel listened when they have a problem. They want to feel listened to their supplier. They want to achieve all this without first understanding who the companies that supply them with water dispenser really are. Are they really a real producer, or are they a fake producer, so assemblers? Think about it. You should know that the real producer of water coolers are actually very few. Most of them say to be one of them, but the truth is that they are assemblers. So they design and think about the external part of the water dispenser, but the internal components, the heart of the system, comes from other companies. And so they just assemble the external part with the internal components already manufactured. This is why distributors and retailers, maybe even you right now, struggle to find new sales topics, new sales arguments to spend with their customers and their communication. They struggle to expand their range, to stand out, to differentiate in the market, and they struggle to find a supplier that really supports them on the technical side, that guarantees them quick and accurate delivery times. In this video, I'll only give you an example of the sales topics. Let's focus on those. Have you ever noticed that most of the sales topics related to the water coolers are from the features of the internal components? I want you to think about it. If all manufacturers within their systems use the exact same carbonator, so the technology to produce the sparkling water, how in the hell do distributors distinguish themselves from the performance like the sparkling water? It's impossible. If you replicate these components on all other components, it's easy to see that the difference between all the water coolers in the markets are really minimal. So if sometimes you don't know what to say in your advertisement, or you don't know what business arguments, what business topic you refer to, or you don't know how to differentiate yourself in an impactful way in the market, this is one of the reasons. How can you do to avoid getting into similar situations, or how to get out of them if you are already happening to you? The first thing you have to do is to select and choose a right water cooler supplier. It is very important that the supplier you choose is a real producer and not a fake producer. So is an assembler. It means that you have to make sure that he is the one who internally designs all the most important internal components for a quality water cooler. So fittings, solenoid valves, carbonators, electronic boards, software parts, water refrigeration system. All in this way, you'll be able to offer water dispensers that make difference in terms of performance, reliability, and design. And the natural consequence is that you will be able to differentiate in the market right away. Exactly how I did in the restaurant I mentioned at the beginning. Do you remember? I choose it because it offers sandwiches with ingredients different from everyone else. And you can only do that because you choose to work with a supplier that gets its good ingredients that are different from the average, different from everyone else. But in addition to the business arguments, I'm also referring to the support. Have you ever had a repetitive technical problem on the water coolers from a particular supplier? You pointed out the problem several times. Sometimes you even suggest an idea to solve it, and the response is, we have always done it this way. And they don't move a finger to solve the problem. That's when it happens, you have a strong sign that the company supplying your water dispenser is a fake producer, not a real producer. Even if he has been on the market for decades, it doesn't matter. So, if you want to elevate the quality of your water coolers and differentiate your company in the market, the first thing you need to do is to better understand what kind of supplier you have on your side. If it is a real producer or a fake producer, and so an assembler.